Hello everyone, welcome to Bayford Analytics. This is Yavuz. Today we're gonna talk about DAX and DAX, which is Deutsche, like German stock index, and see what can happen in the next weeks and maybe this year. What we can expect from that index and if that's okay to invest or not. So let's start. Before starting, let me do my warning. The things that I'm gonna say right now in this video or in this channel, I'm always saying these are not investment advices. Please take your investing decisions only by yourself because these are risky investments. So please do your investment decisions only yourself. And I don't have, like, Bayford Analytics doesn't accept any responsibility from your profits or losses, because if you make profits, that's not only because I gave you my ideas, I told you my ideas. That means that you have good risk management and good trading psychology. That's why you need to thank yourself. And if you have losses, again, that's your losses. So let's start. As always in index, like most of the time, I am analyzing in daily time frame because at least right now I'm planning to show you what's gonna happen in the next weeks. So let's start. As you can see, for a while, since 2022, beginning of 2022, we were in some kind of parallel descending channel, and DAX broke it in 2022 November. As you can see, we had little breakout, and then there was a confirmation, then started to going up, which is, I always tell you, wait for confirmation. Okay, look, that's obvious. Then what happened? Then these are pivot points, and we found support in 14k, exactly 13.9k, which is a pivot point. We found support, and there's our resistance, but now it's support to 14.6k. Now our resistance is 15k. As you can see, there was many times it was support for DAX, but right now it's resistance for DAX. All right, so, and let's see in Fibonacci 2, if you play Fibonacci right here, as you can see, 1.680 is exactly at 15k, and 2.618 is 15.8k here. Yep. And right now that means that DAX is gonna proceed till 15k. If here DAX get rejected, that means that we're turning back to 14.5k. There's one scenario like that, all right? And if things get much worse, which I don't expect that, but I need to tell that because that's a possibility too. We have that possibility too, to 14k, which is, I'm not giving too much, really. That's, I think, not possible, but there's a scenario like that too. So that's why I'm telling you. That's bearish scenario. But most possible scenario for me, at least, either DAX is gonna break that resistance to go to 15.8k directly, which is I don't see so possible, but definitely DAX is gonna do that move, I guess. Like it's gonna get rejected from here, turn back, then like that. All right, because since December 2022, like 20 to 30 December 22, DAX is going up non-stop, so it needs to do some correction at some point, and I think that's the correction time, like right here. So I believe that could happen. So that's the possible scenario for me, but as I said, there are many scenarios like going to 14k and going to directly 15.800k, but be careful about these both scenarios, so these can happen. Let's look at RSI tool. Let's use some indicators. uh, yeah, RSI is relatively top at the top, which DAX doesn't see many times. As you can see, there are only a couple times that DAX saw these levels here, here, and right here. Okay, I don't see that's gonna happen again. At least for now, I expect it to do pull back till 59. If you want, let's look at 4 hourly chart too, 4 hour time frame. What happens exactly in 4 hour time basis? As you can see, DAX is overbought, so I expect it to get rejected again, but again, it can go up. That's another possibility, but I expect that because I see and I analyze like that. So, what else can I tell you about DAX? Yep, that's the thing. When we look for moving average points, levels, let me make them a bit thick for you to see better. All right, there's two moving averages, and they made some death cross right here, like that point, and we are expecting for a golden cross. Probably right there, like at least 1 week later, like next week. So that's good news for DAX, and that means that 14k going to be so strict, strong, and really strong support for us. So I think if DAX gets back till like the pullback till 14k, there is really good buying opportunity for us. I expect, but if DAX break it, that's bearish and bearish scenario. That's bad. But as long as DAX stays above 14k, I think we're good. I think we're safe. Let's look at more these EMAs too, moving averages. Yep, 20. Let me do them thick too. Yep. As you can see, the pullback could happen. Like I think DAX would go couple days more till 15k and get rejected, and while that time, moving average could go to these areas, and when pullback happens, it pulls back to moving average. All right, that's my scenario. That's what I'm looking for. But I wouldn't long right here. That's really bad place to long, I guess. Yeah, it could go. I can miss a chance, miss a trading opportunity, but that's risky investment for me. There's couple possibilities that to trade for me, as I said, like there's one short possibility till here, and my stop would be like that, right? And when uh, it pulls back till here, that would be my long scenario. All right, actually you can put take profit to here, then as I always said, when confirmation happens like that, you can open another long here too, like I always recommend that. That's up to your own trading style, but these are the important points for DAX, I guess. Yeah, so that is it for now. As I always said, indices are really their moves are up to world economies and macroeconomical uh, developments. So if you subscribe for Bayford Analytics newsletter, you'll get these news and everything. So uh, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.